Thinking about working from home? Here are 5 tips in setting up your home office. Find the best spot in your house. Ideally, this spot should be clutter-free, quiet, and preferably near a window to benefit from the view or natural light. Now, if you have limited space available, then you need to be creative and resourceful to convert unused space into your working place. Organize your cables. Make sure that all the cables and wires for your internet, mouse, keyboard, charger, webcam, telephone, or desk lamp aren't tangled together. Provide yourself with additional socket extension cords and tidy up those cables to avoid any form of interruption while working. Ensure that everything is within your reach. One thing you don't want to do is to reach out for your tools and equipment while working, so make sure that everything is in place. Observe proper distancing and avoid straining your hand, arm, or elbow when using your keyboard or mouse. Prioritize your comfort. Invest on a standard desk and a comfortable chair. You're going to be spending a lot of times working, so make sure you're comfortable enough. Observe proper lighting, distancing, and leveling of your equipment in order to maintain your good posture and eyesight. Respect your space. Working space should not be used for any other purposes. Always maintain the cleanliness and treat it as your real office. Once you learn how to respect your office, you're gonna love it more than any other offices you've been. That will be all for our tips. Congratulations, you're all set. Now, if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button to see more of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.